Hi besties, welcome back to Queen Jasmine Kitchen. If you're a first timer, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more amazing tutorials. Want to learn how to produce bleach for your business or home use? This video is just for you. Today I'll be teaching you how to make bleach at home and also how to create a tough pot stain removal chemical and powder. So grab your materials and let's get started. So we are making use of our soda ash, chlorine, caustic soda, HCM, and of course our water. So today we are preparing 25 liters of bleach. So this is 25 liters of water. So put on your gloves and face masks. Let's get started. First, add your chlorine into the water and stir thoroughly. After that, I'm going in with my soda ash and I'm going to stir thoroughly too. Thirdly, go in with your caustic soda and stir very thoroughly. Lastly, add in your HCM. Do not stir. This is where you get your chemical reaction. And do not do this inside the house. Do it in an open space. After adding the HCM, do not stir. Simply cover your container, bucket or bait and let it sit for 24 hours. So in 24 hours, our bleach is ready. Now carefully pour it into a gallon, making sure to do it gently so the sediment at the bottom don't mix up. After that, place the sediment in sunlight to dry completely. Once dried, your tough pot stain remover is ready to use. So besties, I'm going the extra mile by showing you the amazing results of my pot stain remover. I hope you enjoyed the video and love the final outcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it super helpful. Now you can make your own bleach and tough pot stain remover like a pro. If you love this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing DIYs and kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.